Am I coming, ma'am?
Yes, coming please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Harjot Kaur.
Okay. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here is it.
Okay. How may I address you?
You call me as Harjot.
Okay, Harjot. Where you come from?
I am from Fagwada, which is located between two major cities, Jalandhar and Ludhiana.
Okay.
And it is small hometown.
Are you a student or are you a worker?
I am a student. 1 year ago, I complete my senior secondary education from Big Girls School in Commerce Stream.
Okay. Do you like your subject?
Yes, I like my subject because it's my dream to become an accountant.
Okay. It is very interesting.
Yes, it is very interesting. Especially accounts is a very interesting. That's the dream.
Okay. Do you miss to being a student?
Yes, I miss being a student because student life is a very stress-free and enjoyable as compared to today life.
Okay. So the first topic is home and accommodation. Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house, a two-story brick house.
Okay. Please describe a little.
Earlier mentioned the two-story brick house. There are the bedrooms attached with washroom, small garden and kitchen.
Okay. What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is my own room because I most of my time spent in that room.
Okay. Whom you live with?
I'm live with my parents. I'm also belong to a nuclear family.
Okay. So next topic is chocolate. How often do you eat chocolate?
I daily eat chocolate because it's give me energy.
Why?
Because I eat dark chocolate. When I eat that chocolate, I do not feel boring and stress.
Okay. But what's your favorite chocolate?
My favorite chocolate is dark chocolate and Kit Kat.
Why?
Because Kit Kat flavor is very unique as compared to another chocolate because that is a crunchy and dark chocolate is give me energy. So that's why I
Okay.
like it.
Is chocolate expensive in your country?
No, this depend upon chocolate and the brand. If any person who are brand conscious, their chocolate they need to be buy brand conscious chocolate that is price very high. If normal peoples like to eat chocolate, they can easily buy because chocolate are also enabled in cheap rates.
Okay. When was the first time you ate chocolate?
It's very tough question for me. When I was child, that time I will think so. I will eat chocolate.
Okay. Is chocolate popular in your country?
Yes, chocolate is very popular in my country on some occasion. Mostly people like to eat chocolate like party or birthday party, on some occasion like wedding and so on.
Okay. The next topic is t-shirt. Do you like to wearing a t-shirt?
Yes, I like to wear t-shirt because when I wear a t-shirt, I feel comfortable and stress-free.
Okay. How often do you wear a t-shirt?
I daily wear a t-shirt after my work
Why?
because when I wear the t-shirt, I feel very comfortable and stress-free.
Okay. Do you like t-shirt with a picture or a print?
I like to t-shirt with the pictures because it's look very attractive.
Okay. When was the last time you buy a t-shirt?
I vividly remember 1 month ago when was the sale was going on Amazon. That time I wear a t-shirt, buy a t-shirt online.
Okay. What is the difference nowadays of a t-shirt and the past?
In the past, the plain t-shirts are enabled, but now the technology increasing, the t-shirts are enabled in a different varieties like a printed t-shirt, t-shirt, and so on.
Okay. So the next part is cue card. I will give you the 1 minute to prepare it, and your cue card is talk about a time. Uh, Describe a difficult decision that once you made, and you have 1 minute to prepare it. Take this to make a note. Don't make spider.
Okay.